Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. It's a new day and we're back in the bright sunlight and still heading north on US 49 as we approach the city limits of Jonesboro, Arkansas, the county seat of Craighead County. We entered Jonesboro with a 2016 estimated population of 74,889. Jonesboro has shown consistent population growth throughout the history of the U.S. Census. A college town, home of the Arkansas State Red Wolves, Jonesboro is the largest city in northeastern Arkansas in the Arkansas Delta. It's the fifth most populous city in the state. Jonesboro is home to Arkansas State University and New York Institute of Technology College of Osteopathic Medicine's A-State campus. It's a regional center for manufacturing, agriculture, medicine, education, and trade. In 1998, the West Side Middle School massacre occurred here. Two young boys, aged 11 and 13 years, fired upon students at West Side Middle School while hidden in woodlands near the school. They killed 4 students and 1 teacher and injured 10 persons. Jonesboro is the hometown of several notable people, including novelist John Grisham and Miss America 1990 Debbie Turner. Here we temporarily merge with I-555, which is a spur of I-55 that connects Jonesboro, Arkansas, with an area just west of Memphis, Tennessee. We depart from the I-555 overlap through this collector-distributor lane that covers two separate exits, and then we'll turn left, merging with Arkansas State Highway 1. On the left is Arkansas State University, also known as A-State, which marked its centennial year in 2009. A-State was founded as the first district agricultural school in Jonesboro in 1909 by the Arkansas legislature as a regional agricultural training school. In 1918, a two-year college program was offered. In 1925, it became First District Agricultural and Mechanical College. A four-year degree program was begun in 1930. A&M College became Arkansas State College in 1933. In 1967, the Arkansas legislature elevated the college to university status and changed the name to Arkansas State University. We conclude today's video here at the city limits of Jonesboro. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.